Okay, for number 6, we're trying to find x, which is the altitude. Okay, whenever we're trying, I'm gonna abbreviate that. Whenever we're trying the altitude, it's easy if you just remember heartbeat. So that means my setup would be 7 over x equals x over 28. Okay. And so when we cross multiply, we get x squared equals 196, and then with this, we take the square root. Good job on this one because it's a perfect square. Square root of 196 is 14. Now, to get to the y is right here. This is actually, if you look at the whole triangle, this is the leg. It is the left leg, okay? Or we call it the long leg. So whenever I'm trying to find the leg rule is using boomerang. So boomerang says I go to the adjacent side, that is the 28. I go to 28 to y, come right back, and do the whole hypotenuse, the whole side. So our proportion for this would have been 28, I'll write it right here, over y equals y over, and then because we have to do the whole hypotenuse, that's 35. And then now we're just going to cross multiply. That would give us, let me scroll down just a little bit, sorry, y squared equals 980. And then when you take the square root, y is equal, I can simplify this to 196 times 5, which is 14. Oops, I put it right, 5. 196 times 5, which is 14 square root of 5. So that takes care of 6, and that takes care of, you got it, oh, I think we have 8 too, right? Let me see. Yep, let's talk about 8. Okay, if you need help with 8, here is how we do this. So, to do our x's, you're going to do heartbeat. Okay, which is going to give us some binomials and some cross multiplying using 4 box method. So I can start at the top or the bottom, but I'm going to have x over 12 equals 12 over x plus 7. So when we cross multiply, we get our 144 equals x squared plus 7x. So this is why I'm saying you have a quadratic. And so to solve the quadratic, we have to get it equal to 0. So we're subtracting the 144. 0 equals x squared plus 7x minus 144. And then now we're doing our factoring. So we're trying to get our factors that we can multiply to get a negative 144 but a positive 7. So that would be x plus 16, and I think I wrote this wrong on the key, and x minus 9. Let's see. Yeah, that will work. So that gives us x equals 9, or x equals negative 16, and x equals 9. And then to just plug these in, because that'll make it faster to get to your y. So since I know this is already, use your positive numbers, and this will give me 16, and then I can use that to find the y. Now I'm using my leg rule, so this would be 9 over y equals y over 25. And then we're cross multiplying. Y squared equals 225, and then y equals 15. Okay, so sorry about that error on the key. Now, if you need help with the mixed practice that we're doing in class, please watch that video as well.